Hi student, welcome to everyone. Today I am going to explain exercise 3.3 10th sum. The demand equation for a product is x equal to root 100 minus p and the supply equation is x equal to p by 2 minus 10. Determine the consumer surplus and producer surplus under market equilibrium. So listen, is given the one product demand equation and supply equation, is not given the demand function and supply function. So determine the consumer surplus and producer surplus under market equilibrium. So first we'll find the demand function and supply functions from demand equation and supply equations. Solutions given x equal to, this is a demand equation, x equal to root 100 minus p. So now I am taking the square both side, x square equal to bracket of root 100 minus p whole square. So square and root both cancel. So remaining x square equal to 100 minus p. So p is here no. So p is here means now minus p will transpose right hand side. So pd equal to 100. So plus x square transpose minus x square. So PD equal to 100 minus x square. This is the demand function. First we found the demand function. No. So next second is given the supply equation. No. X equal to phi by 2 minus 10. So we need supply function also. We will find the supply function. So x equal to p by 2 minus 10. No. So now minus 10. So minus 10 will bring the left hand side. So minus 10 means plus 10. So x plus 10 equal to p by 2. So p by 2 no. So 2 is a divide. Divide will transpose left hand side means 2 into x plus 10 equal to p. So bracket consider multiply. So 2 into x 2x plus 2 into 10 20. So 2x plus 20 equal to ps. So ps means supply function. So ps equal to 2x plus 20. So now we found the demand function and supply function. So after find the consumer surplus and producer surplus also. So what is the conditions given? Market equilibrium no. So now CS, so consumer surplus, we need consumer surplus and producer surplus. So we know the equilibrium conditions. So equilibrium means PD equal to PS. Demand function and supply functions are equal. So what is the demand function? 100 minus x square equal to what is supply function? 2x plus 20. So 100, I will separate the constant one side, variable one side. So 100 is the constant, minus x square is the variable, 2x is the variable, plus 20 is the constant. So now see 100, keep it there. Left hand side 100 is a plus 20 no, plus 20 will transpose minus 20. So 20 is the constant, 100 is the constant. So separated one side. So 100 minus 20 equal to 2x no. So keep this same side, 2x is a minus x square no. So minus x square will transpose means plus x square. So x square plus 20. So 100 minus 20 means 80. 80 equal to x square plus 2x. See x square plus 2x, so plus 80 no, plus 8 will transpose means minus 80 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation no. So quadratic equation we know the what is the power 2 no. So we have two roots. So first find the two roots. So it's given the conditions minus 80 no, multiply means I need minus 80, add means plus 2. So we need two numbers. So 10 into 80 plus into minus minus. So 10 into minus 8 means minus 80, 10 minus 8 means 2. So this is the two numbers, this quadratic equation. So this is a plus 10 no. So x plus 10 into minus 8 no. So x minus 8 bracket equal to 0. So x plus 10 is converted to 0 means equal to 0 means x equal to minus 10. So what is x value? Minus 10. X minus 8 equal to 0 means what is x value? X equal to 8. So now this is a minus 10 means we don't want to take the minus 10. We need plus value only. So x equal to 8 means assume x naught equal to 8. So we found the x naught, but we need p naught also. Okay. So we know the demand function. No. What is demand functions here? Demand function means PD equal to 100 minus x square. So assume PD mean p naught. So P naught equal to 100 minus x naught square, no? So 100 minus, what is x naught here? 8. So 8 square, 8 whole square equal to 100. 8 whole square means 8 into 8, 64. So 100 minus 64 means 36. So P naught equal to 36. So we found the x naught and P naught. So again we need consumer surplus. So consumer surplus equal to, what is the formula? Integral 0 to x naught f of x dx equal dx minus x naught P naught equal to 0, integral 0 to x naught. What is the x naught here? 8, no? So put 8 here. Integral 0 to 8 f of x. So consumer surplus, no? So consumer surplus means we use consumer surplus means we use only demand function. This is the f of x. So now equal to integral 0 to 8 f of x dx, because consumer surplus means this is the f of x. So bracket of 100 minus x square close to bracket dx minus x naught P naught, x naught into P naught. What is x naught here? 8. What is the P naught? Into 36 equal to integral 0 to 8. See, this is two terms. Now I will separate the integral each part. So integral 0 to 8 100 dx minus integral 0 to 8 x square dx minus 8 into 36 means 288 equal integral 0 to 8 100 dx, no? So now I am going to use the integration formula. See the integration formula, integral k dx equal to kx plus c. Constant integration means constant dx means kx plus c. See 100 is a constant, no? So k is corresponding to 100. So 100 dx means integral k dx means kx plus c. So 100 dx means 100x minus integral 0 to 8 x square dx, no? So x square dx means, see the second formula, integral x power n dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So it's given n is corresponding to 2. So integral x power n means x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x power square means integral 0 to 8 x power square means x power n is corresponding to, no? So x 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So equal to bracket of 100x 8 z upper limit lower rate minus in bracket of, so integral 0 to x 8 x square dx means x square means x 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. See now x power n plus 1 means 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 close the bracket upper limit lower limit minus 288 equal to substitute upper limit. What is the upper limit here? 8, no? So 100 into 8 minus 100 into 0 close the bracket minus bracket of so x 2 plus 1 power 2 plus 1 means x power 3 by 3 close the bracket upper limit lower limit minus 288 equal to 100 into 8 means 800 minus 100 into 0 means 0 close the bracket minus open bracket. So substitute upper limit. What is the upper limit? 8, no? So 8 cube by 3 minus 0 cube by 3 close the bracket minus 288 equal to 800 minus 0 means 800 minus 8 cube means you multiply 3 times. So 8 into 8 into 8 means 512 by 3 minus 0 cube means 0 only close the bracket minus 288 equal to, so 800 minus 288 means 512 minus, so minus is outside, now I am taking inside means minus 512 by 3. So find the cross multiplication. 3 into 512 means 1536, multiply both, so 1536 minus 512 by 3. Subtract both means you will get the answer 1024 by 3 units. So consumer surplus equal to 1024 by 3. So we found the consumer surplus. Again we find the producer surplus. First write the producer surplus formula. PS equal to x naught into P naught minus integral 0 to x naught g of x dx. Integral we know the x naught and P naught. What is x naught? 8 into P naught means 36. 8 into 36 minus integral 0 to x naught value 8. So g of x So g of x means you must use a supply function. What is supply function here? Ps equal to 2x plus 20, no? So substitute this only. 8 minus integral 0 to 8 g of x means integral bracket of 2x plus 20 close to bracket dx equal to 8 into 36 means 288. Multiply both means 288 minus integral. So this is two terms. Now I will separate the integral each part. Integral e 0 to 8 2x dx minus integral minus see plus into minus into plus minus integral 0 to 8 20 dx equal to, so 288 minus is given integral 0 to 8 2x dx, no, 2 what is the x power 1, no. So now I am going to use the integration formula. Already we know the integration formula. Integral x power n dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. The same formula applying here also. What is the n? X power n means x power n dx equal to x power n plus 1, no. What is the x here? X, what is the n here? N equal without numbers means without power means assume 1. This is a 1. So n means x n plus 1. Here 1 means 1 plus 1. So 2 of x 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 close to bracket 0 to 8 minus, see this is the integral 0 to 8 20 dx, no. So again we use the integration formula. Integral k dx equal to kx plus c, no. So constant dx means kx plus c. See here also 20 is a constant, no. So constant dx means 20x upper limit lower limit equal to 288 minus 2 x power 1 plus 1, no. So x square by 1 plus 1 means 2 close to bracket upper limit lower limit minus, see here also substitute upper limit and lower limit minus bracket of 20. What is upper limit? X 8, no. So 20 into 8 minus lower limit 20 into 0 close to bracket equal to 288 minus, so 2 is a numerator denominator both same, no. So cancel. So remaining x square upper limit lower limit minus bracket of 20 into 8 means 160 minus 20 into 0 means 0 closed bracket equal to 288 minus substitute upper limit. What is upper limit? 8, no. So 8 square minus 0 square closed bracket minus minus into plus minus minus 160 equal to 288 minus bracket of, so it's given 8 square, no. So minus 8 square means 64. See minus bracket of 64, 8 square means 64 minus 0 close the bracket minus 160, no, equal to 288 minus into plus minus, so minus 64 bracket cancel multiply, so minus 64 minus 160 equal to, see 288, so say both minus side, no. So put minus and 160 plus 64 means 224. Same side means you write the same again same sign, add both. So minus 224 equal to 288 minus 224 means 64. So producer surplus equal to 64 units. So this is answers to the 10th question. Thank you.